Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Gino, and recently I've been watching so many zombie shows and movies, including Resident Evil, Walking Dead. I've also been watching American Horror Story and so many other shows, and so it really inspired me to create these zombie hand cupcakes. We start off with a delicious chocolate cupcake base, top it off with some chocolate frosting, and we decorate it to make it look like a zombie's hand is coming out of the ground. Similar to zombie Taylor Swift in her music video for Look What You Made Me Do. Yeah. Let me know in the comment section down below what shows and movies you guys have been watching to celebrate Halloween. And without further ado, the ingredients that you'll be needing to make these cupcakes include 2 cups of sugar, 1 3/4 cup of cake flour, 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of boiling water, 1 cup of oil, 2 eggs, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and half a teaspoon of salt. You will also be needing this icing decoration set from Wilton. It essentially includes some black sprinkles and the zombie hand decorations. This video is not sponsored by them, but I saw this at my local Target and I knew that I had to pick these up. Before we begin, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Alright, so the chocolate cupcake is literally my favorite chocolate cupcake recipe ever, not only because it's delicious and scrumptious, but because of its simplicity. Essentially, into a medium-sized bowl, you want to add all of your dry ingredients, starting off with your cake flour, your sugar, your cocoa powder, your baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Whisk those ingredients together until they are well combined. Then into a large bowl, you want to add all of your wet ingredients, starting off with your milk, your oil, your 2 eggs, and your vanilla extract. Whisk all of those ingredients together, then slowly drizzle in your boiling water. We slowly incorporate the boiling water in order to make sure that the eggs do not get scrambled, because that has happened once or twice, and yeah, I'm not a fan of scrambled eggs, so yeah. Now add all of your dry ingredients into your wet mixture and mix the 2 sets of ingredients together until they become well combined. Guys, that cocoa powder smells absolutely amazing. So now that our cake batter is all finished, we're going to fill our cupcake pan with some cupcake liners and fill each one 2/3 of the way full. This cake batter recipe makes approximately 22 to 24 cupcakes. Now we're gonna pop those cupcakes into the oven and they will bake for approximately 18 to 22 minutes. Make sure to keep an eye after the 18-minute mark. Insert a toothpick or cake tester into your cupcakes. If it comes out clean, then you know they are ready to go. So our cupcakes have finished baking in the oven. Then I let them cool off on my countertop for about half an hour. Today I am going to be using a new Hershey's chocolate frosting that I found at my local market. Typically, I like to make my own frosting, but just to keep this recipe nice, short, and simple, I decided to use this chocolate frosting. And let me tell you, it actually tastes pretty good. So now it's time to decorate, which is my favorite part of the entire baking process. So all you want to do is take your cupcake, cover the entirety of the surface of your cupcake, then go ahead and dip it into your bowl of sprinkles, and last but not least, attach your zombie hand icing decoration right on top, and you are finished. Anyways, I wanted to thank you guys so much for joining me once again on my channel. These zombie hand cupcakes turned out amazing. The chocolate smell and aroma is definitely filling my kitchen, so I'm about ready to dig in. The chocolate cupcake base by itself is super rich, moist, nice and soft. It almost melts in your mouth. The Hershey's chocolate frosting that we added on top definitely had the right amount of sweetness. It didn't overpower the cake. It definitely complemented the cupcake if anything, and it tastes delicious. It was super simple to prepare, so I hope that you guys definitely give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can be reminded of any other videos that I upload. As always, remember to keep things simple yet elegant, and as always, have fun, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!